one intelligent person. Observe carefully, man, how the greediness is going to work. A wonderful person came to that village. An intelligent person came to that village with his assistant. He analyzed the problem in that village. They took one house for the rent. They analyzed the village people mentality, currently what problem they are facing. Then this person announced, we are buying monkeys. We are buying monkeys. Each monkey, for each monkey, we will pay 100 rupees. No, 500 rupees we are going to pay for every monkey. Like these people announced in the village. They took one room for the rent and one assistant also came. These people seems to be too good. Okay, like that. Then they announced, we are going to buy the monkeys. Per monkey, 500 rupees like that. Then everywhere monkeys are there in that village, man. Then all the village people felt very happy. They stopped all their work. They are catching the monkey and hand over and 500 rupees they are taking. Catching the monkey, hand over and then 500 rupees they are taking. Okay, like that. So as much as possible. Okay. They bought and they got good money. Villagers got good money. The villagers felt very happy because two advantages. Advantage one is monkey problem gone. Advantage two is
money they are getting.
They got respond.
Money.
They got money. They got money. Okay, like they got money. Then what happened is just this person, the main person who bought the monkeys, he announced that we required some more monkeys. Next time, for every monkey, we are going to give 1,000 rupees if you can bring like. He announced that, and then this person went to some other place by keeping his assistant there. If any person who got monkey, okay, meet my assistant is going to provide per monkey 1,000 rupees like he told, and then he left. Okay, the main person went somewhere, maybe on business trip. Then the village people, all the monkeys unnecessary. We sold at 500 rupees only. If I keep some monkeys with me, then per monkey 1,000 rupees I may get. Okay, like these villagers are going to search for monkeys in other nearby villages. Remember this carefully, in other nearby villages. Okay, then some people got 1 or 2 monkeys because major monkey is already completed. Then what happened is the village people started doing lobbying with his assistant. Array assistant, these many monkeys we gave, right? Okay. So why don't you give back our monkey? Yes, because no counting, all these things are not there, right? So you will get 600 rupees. We will pay. Can you please give the monkey back? Like slowly, they are trying to pay 600 rupees. Slowly, they are taking their monkeys. The village people. After 15 days or 20 days, the original person came. Listen very carefully, Joseph. Original person came. Okay, now you can bring all your monkeys if you have like. Everyone is telling 2 monkeys, 3 monkeys, 4 monkeys. Then this time, for every monkey 1,000 rupees, more money the village people got back. Wow. Village people happiness, they bought a monkey with 600 rupees and they sold at 1,000 rupees. So, are you in a position to listen my example? Are you understanding my example?
Yes, sir.
Respond.
Yes, sir. Understanding.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 500 rupees will become 600 rupees. Now this person is giving for 1,000 rupees he is buying. Then okay. All the monkeys he bought, man. All the monkeys he bought. Okay. Then All the monkeys got completed. Then he announced that, yes, I went there for the business trip, right? We require more monkeys, but very huge demand is there. Next time, if you are going to bring the monkey, we will give 5,000 rupees per monkey. 5,000 rupees per monkey. We will give like he announced, and then he left man. How much? How much per monkey they are going to pay?
5,000.
5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees they are going to pay. They announced, and then this person, main person, left on his business trip. And the village people, they felt sad like anything. Are unnecessary. We hand over the monkey just for the sake of 1,000 rupees. If I have the same monkey, I will get 5,000 rupees. But anyway, do some lobbying kind of thing. Okay, with his assistant, like they approach an assistant. Array, we will pay 3,000 rupees to you. Can you please give our monkey back? How much money? How much money?
3,000.
3,000. 3,000 rupees we will pay. So that his intention is always 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees. So now we can sell at 5,000, right? 2,000 rupees for monkey profit will be there. 2,000 rupees per monkey profit will be there. Okay, we should not miss this opportunity. Like then all the village people doing some lobbying with this assistant. Then assistant is telling, sorry, 3,000 not possible because my owner, if he know, then he may remove from my job also. That's a bigger problem for my job. My family is going to struggle like anything. That's why 3,000, I don't want to take the risk. Then the village people told that they are requesting like anything. Array, 3,500 rupees we will give. Can you please give out monkeys like that? Then all the village people, they bought monkeys at 3,500 each monkey. Then this person not having single monkey also. All the village people, everyone is buying some 4 monkeys, 5 monkeys, 6 monkeys, and so on. Then automatically, so these people, okay, not having any monkeys. Okay, now they are waiting when this person is going to come. One night, this person also left that village. All the monkeys, the village people are waiting for when that person is going to come and when they are going to buy for 5,000 like they are eagerly waiting. Then that person and this person gone permanently. 1 month waited, 2 months waited, 3 months waited, then they left the monkeys. Have you observed, right? Originally, they bought at 500 rupees monkey to the same village people, they sold at 3,500 rupees per monkey. How much money they got here? 3,000 rupees money they got per monkey. Here, whose problem, whose mistake it is?
Village
Village people mistake or the business person mistake?
Villages.
Village people, they didn't check the facts. Array, what these people are telling, is it real or not? Okay, with these monkeys, what these people are doing, they are telling we require more monkeys. Okay, what you are doing with these monkeys? At least one person with the intelligence, okay, if he is going to cross check, okay, this person is telling so and so, okay, perfect, so and so. Where is the proof? Have you did anywhere this type of business anywhere else? Why you came to this village only? Array, what you are going to do? So you are going to sell in the Bangalore. Okay. In the Bangalore, what is the address of that company? Where you are selling? What they are going to do that? If you start the questioning, if you start analyzing, then automatically what will happen is now we will get a complete idea whether we require to invest or not. Don't invest blindly. Monkey story, the wonderful, right?
Yes, sir.
వాళ్ళ ఊరు మంకీలు వాళ్ళకే అమ్మి their village monkeys for them only they sold. And on every monkey, this person got 3,000 rupees profit. 3,000 rupees profit he got, okay, without doing any fraud. Is the business person did the fraud?
No.
No.
No. The problem is their village people problem. They have their greediness is the problem, man. Atyasha. That is the problem. That's why while doing investments, compulsory you require to take care. Complete picture. Complete picture you require to analyze and then start investing.